Best circular saws. Are you looking for the best circular saws? In this video we will look at some of the best circular saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Bosch 18V Cordless Circular Saw. Take your cutting performance to the next level with the Bosch GKS 18V 25 GCB 14 Perfactor 18V Circular Saw Kit. Designed for professionals who demand precision, power, and portability, this saw delivers corded performance with cordless freedom. The 7¼ blade made from high-speed steel cuts through wood effortlessly, making it ideal for framing, decking, and finish carpentry. Powered by the Core 18V8A high-power battery, this saw offers extended runtime and superior cutting power to handle even the toughest materials. The Perfactor technology ensures optimized performance and efficiency when paired with Bosch's advanced bi-turbo brushless motor, providing the torque and speed needed for fast, clean cuts. The saw features track compatibility, allowing you to achieve straight, accurate cuts every time when used with Bosch guide rails. Its connected-ready design also lets you link to the Bosch Toolbox app for tool customization and performance tracking. Built with user comfort and safety in mind, the ergonomic handle, adjustable bevel settings, and electronic brake provide complete control and precision. Whether you're working on site or in the shop, this circular saw combines durability, accuracy, and cutting-edge technology to meet your professional needs. Includes circular saw, 1, Core 18V8A battery, charger, blade, and carrying case, everything you need to start cutting right out of the box. Number 2. Skil 15 amp corded circular saw. Cut through projects with precision and power using the Skil 5280 to 2001 15 amp 7¼ circular saw. Engineered for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals, this powerful saw delivers exceptional performance and control for a wide variety of woodworking tasks. Its 15 amp motor produces an impressive 5,300 revolutions per minute, giving you the cutting power needed to tackle even the toughest lumber with ease. The integrated single-beam laser guide ensures every cut is straight and accurate, helping you achieve clean, professional results with minimal effort. Its 24-tooth carbide blade cuts smoothly through wood, while the spindle lock allows for quick and easy blade changes between projects. With a 51 degrees bevel capacity and a positive stop at 45 degrees, the circular saw offers flexibility for angled cuts and bevel applications. Weighing only 8.7 pounds, the Skil 5280 to 2001 is lightweight and easy to maneuver, reducing user fatigue during extended use. The dust blower keeps your line of sight clear, ensuring better accuracy and a cleaner workspace. For added safety, it includes a guarded trigger to prevent accidental starts and an on-tool wrench storage for quick adjustments. Whether you're framing, cutting plywood, or building furniture, the Skil 5280 to 2001 circular saw delivers the precision, durability, and ease of use you need for all your cutting tasks. This saw is a must-have addition to any home workshop or job site toolkit. Number 3. DeWalt 20V Cordless Circular Saw. Get the power of corded performance with cordless convenience using the DeWalt DCS 573B 20V Max 7¼ inches. Brushless Circular Saw. Designed for demanding professionals and serious DIYers, this saw delivers exceptional cutting power, speed, and precision for a wide range of woodworking and framing applications. Equipped with FlexVolt Advantage technology, the tool automatically detects when a FlexVolt battery is attached, unlocking up to 77% more power than standard 20V Max * batteries. The high-performance brushless motor ensures long runtime, increased durability, and efficient operation with every cut. Its high-speed steel blade slices smoothly through wood, plywood, and lumber, making it ideal for framing, decking, and finishing projects. The saw's 7¼ blade provides a cutting depth of up to 2 9/16 inches at 90 degrees, allowing you to tackle thicker materials with ease. A 0 to 57 degrees bevel capacity offers versatility for angled cuts, while the bright LED light illuminates your cut line for enhanced accuracy in low-light conditions. Built with DeWalt's signature yellow and black rugged housing, this circular saw stands up to the toughest job site environments. The lightweight, ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling and reduced fatigue during long cutting sessions. Note, this listing is for the tool only. Battery and charger are sold separately. Pair it with DeWalt's 20V Max or FlexVolt batteries for best performance. Perfect for professionals who demand power, precision, and portability in one tool. Number 4. Metabo-HPT 60V Cordless Circular Saw. Experience professional-grade performance and superior cutting precision with the Metabo-HPT 36V Cordless 7.1/4 Rear Handle Circular Saw. Designed for carpenters, framers, and remodelers who demand power and portability, this saw delivers the cutting force of a corded tool with the freedom of cordless operation. Powered by a 36V multi-volt battery, this saw offers up to 500 cuts per charge, providing long-lasting runtime for extended work sessions without interruptions. Its high-speed steel blade ensures smooth, accurate cuts through wood, plywood, and framing lumber. The rear handle design delivers optimal balance and control, giving professionals the feel of a traditional worm drive saw in a lightweight, cordless format. At just 8.2 pounds, it's one of the lightest rear handle saws in its class, reducing fatigue and improving maneuverability on the job site. The brushless motor maximizes efficiency, extends tool life, and provides consistent power under heavy loads. With a cutting depth of 2 7/16 inches at 90 degrees and a bevel capacity up to 53 degrees, this saw handles a variety of cuts with precision and ease. Built for durability and reliability, the Metabo-HPT circular saw also features an electric brake, soft start, and dust blower to keep your line of sight clear. Perfect for professionals who need both mobility and muscle, this cordless saw is part of the multi-volt system, giving you the flexibility to power it with either a battery or AC adapter. Number 5. DeWalt 20V Max Circular Saw. Get power, precision, and portability with the DeWalt DCS 565P 120V Max 6-1/2 inch cordless circular saw. Built for pros and DIYers alike, this high-performance saw delivers the cutting capability of a corded tool with the freedom of cordless operation. Its powerful brushless motor provides increased runtime, longer tool life, and consistent cutting performance across a wide range of materials. The 6.5-inch high-speed steel blade cuts smoothly through wood, plywood, and framing materials, making it perfect for framing, cross-cutting, and ripping applications. With a cutting depth of 2 1/8 inches at 90 degrees and a 50 degrees bevel capacity, you can make angled and compound cuts with ease and precision. Weighing only 7.5 pounds, this compact saw is easy to handle and ideal for overhead or tight space jobs. The built-in LED light enhances visibility for accurate cutting lines, even in low-light environments. Safety and control are enhanced with an electronic brake, which stops the blade quickly after the trigger is released, reducing downtime and improving efficiency. This kit includes everything you need to get started: the DeWalt DCS 565 circular saw, 20V Max 5.0, a lithium-ion battery, charger, and 6.5-inch carbide-tipped blade. Designed with DeWalt's signature durability and reliability, this saw is built to withstand tough job site conditions while delivering smooth, precise cuts every time. Perfect for professionals and serious DIYers who value performance, convenience, and quality craftsmanship.